Hey there, my name is Derek Henry, and if you use counting formulas in Excel as much as I do for things in work and beyond, then I've got something I think you're going to love that makes it super simple to do that in a very dynamic way. Now, we're looking at an Excel file here that is super basic, and let's say we have a list of things. Could be, again, related to work or something personal, and let's say you want to add a counter. So rather than say equals cell above plus 1, we're going to use one of Excel's new dynamic array functions. Now, I've got one built in here that says insert counter formula, and what this does is first it prompts you to say how many rows down could you possibly ever use between 10 and a million. Whatever you use, you can check to save your default, like right there. Now, 1500 is usually enough for me no matter what I'm doing, so I'm going to use that. And what it does is it inserts this formula right here, sequence and count A, to say, as long as you have items there, it's going to automatically expand for you, just like dynamic array formulas are supposed to. So if we delete some of these, it's going to automatically update. If we add some things, it's going to automatically update. So it makes it really easy to count for you. Now, if you've never used sequence, it's an awesome dynamic array function to use. It doesn't have to count by 1. It can count by 5 or 10 or 20 or whatever it is that you're doing. A lot of people use this to have dates end of month across the top. It's a really useful function. This macro lets you insert something really quickly in one step and lets you save that default value for how many to use. So while you could type this formula out, it just makes it so much easier to run a macro. I use several like these in Excel that save me over 200 hours a year. And if you want to check this out and several others, hundreds of them, then just head on over to the QR code that you're seeing on your screen right there, and you can try that out for free for 30 days and get on with saving a lot of time with Excel. If you like this, please give a thumbs up, let us know in the comments, share with a friend, and of course, try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and have an excellent rest of your day.